Hello and welcome to McMaster IEEE's Discord bot beginner tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to set up your bot. So first of all, if you haven't already, make sure you have downloaded Python. If you haven't, I will leave the link in the description below, along with all the other links for this video. So you'll need to head on over to discord.com/developers, where if you haven't already logged in, it'll ask you to log in and then take you to this page. You'll click New Application, and to create your application, you'll need to give it a name. Here we'll put Tutorial Bot, and it'll take you to this page. After your application is created, you'll need to actually create the bot. Here you press Add Bot, and that's in the Bot tab on the left side here. You'll see all this stuff for your bot. You can change your name here. To add your bot to a server. So right now your bot has been created. To add it to a server, you need to go to OAuth 2 in the left side menu. And then here you'll click bot. And this will generate a link to add your bot to a server. Here you'll need to add permissions that will be put in that link. For now, we're going to put administrator because that's the easiest thing to do, and I don't need to click anything else. And then you'll copy this link. Now if you head on to a new tab, and you paste the link, and you go to that link. When you follow that link, it'll ask you which server you want to add this bot to. Here I'm going to put it in the IEEE McMaster test server. Authorize. Yes, I am human. Now if you head on over to your Discord server, you'll see that, well, for me this was not here before. Right now it's at 9:44 p.m. I just got added to my server. It's not currently online because there's no code for it yet. There's no program running. The bot just exists. Now to set up, before you write code and make a program that runs on your computer, you'll need to first go pip install Discord. Okay, I can't type. For me, I've already installed it, so it'll say requirement already satisfied. Otherwise, you'll see like a bar that loads. For the purpose of this tutorial, you'll also need to install .env. Again, for me, it says requirement already satisfied because I've already run this before. And then now you've basically done everything you need to do. You just need to write your code. So the two things we just downloaded, which are the Discord API and .env, we'll need to import into our code. So open up a text editor or an IDE, import Discord from discord.ext, import commands, import OS, and from .env import load.env. And that's all you really need to do. And I will start explaining more in the next video.